Hello and welcome back to my channel once again, Inspired with Anushka. Friends, how are you? Hope you all are fine. Guys, are you ready for the new topic? The topic for today is why should the biodiversity be conserved? So, we are on the way to discuss about the conservation of biodiversity. In previous video, I have discussed about the biodiversity, that what is biodiversity. Once again, I want to recognize you all that the variability and variety of all the animals, plants and microorganisms found on the earth is called the biodiversity. So let's start that why this should be conserved. All the components of the nature are the interdependent. All the components of our environment are in the perfect balance. So to maintain this balance, we must have to conserve the biodiversity. Every species in nature is not only existing a biological control over the other, but all the species are also supporting and cooperating with each other directly or indirectly. Human beings are a part of the system. Any damage of the biodiversity can threaten or damage the whole life support system, including the human beings also. Therefore, it is important to conserve the biodiversity. Students, popular interest in the protection and the world's plant and animal species has intensified during the last 20 years. So in the last 20 years, we become more conscious about the conservation of the biodiversity. Both scientists and genetic public has realized that we are living in a time of unpredictable mass extinction. Around the global, biological communities that took millions of years to develop are being devastated by the human activities. The main cause of the present extinction is the habitat disturbance by the man, such as the clear cutting of the forest, overgrazing grasslands and damaging the wetland and polluting the ecosystem. Another major cause of the extinction is the overthrowing of the plants and animals, especially when done by the modern technology. A new multi-description science that has developed to deal with the crisis of the confronting biological diversity is the conservation of biology. Conserving biology has two goals. That first, to investing human impacts on the biological diversity, and the second, to develop the practical approaches to the prevent extinction of species. Conservation the biological rates on certain ethical principles. These are: the diversity of organism is good, the ultimately extinction of population and species is bad, ecological complex is good, and the evolution is good, and the biological diversity has intrinsic values. So students, hope the diagram that why the biodiversity should be conserved is made clear in your brain. That what is biodiversity we have already known in the previous topic. In this video you know about the conservation of the biodiversity, and in the next one we will go through the reasons for the loss of biodiversity in the today's present time. So students, keep watching with me the next series of the video, and if you like this video, then please press the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching this.